Today I want to share with you my absolute favorite way to manage and share links. This is a new thing that I tried a few weeks back. I actually made a video on it, in which case I compared Switchy.io, which is the tool that we're using today, to Rebrandly, to Pretty Links. But let me actually show you now what this tool can do, because I've had some time to play around with it and it is going to truly blow your mind, or at least it blew mine. So let's actually get into Switchy.io and take a look at the tool. So inside our platform, we have our links, and I'm actually going to bring up an incognito window, and I want to show you one of these links. And I'm going to do it for the recent videos launch, which I have a pre-launch link that redirects now to the launch page. And when you come onto this sales page, what you'll see is up in the URL bar, we have go.aiPROFITz.com/videos pre-launch. So it's not actually showing the videos URL, it's showing our URL, and then it's showing the videos sales page. But look in the bottom left corner, what we see is our review video. The new videos is here. Today is November 17th. It is launch day. And just like that, we have our preview video. And over here in the bottom right corner, look at what we have. We have a chatbot. So you can embed all kinds of things using Switchy.io. This is a truly fantastic tool, and it is currently available in the AppSumo store as a one-time lifetime deal. So you pay one time, you get this tool for life. Now, I only bought one code, and I do have a video on that, and I'm not going to spend too much time going over that here, but this is a really cool tool. So let's actually jump back into Switchy, and I will show you how to do this, how easy it is. If we jump out to our main dashboard, what we can see is down here in settings, we can control our custom domain. You saw that is the go.aiPROFITz. We can also fire off a Facebook pixel. So every time that our link is clicked, it is going to accumulate that data on our Facebook pixel. I'm not currently running any type of paid advertising, but why wouldn't you collect that and age your pixel? It is just smart, and we're going to talk a little bit more about doing that stuff in the future, so subscribe if you are interested in learning more. But the UTMs will also allow tracking, which is more for Google Analytics. Again, I don't know too much about it. I'm not actually using that currently, but the Embed Widgets is what today's video is about. Videos video, this is my review video. I've embedded that, as well as my ChatterPal chatbot agent, which is just there to collect some email addresses. So without further ado, let's actually delete out the ChatterPal, and let's add it, and I'll show you just how easy it is. So to add a new widget, what we're going to do is click Add, and then here we're going to add whatever embed script we have. Now, if you need help, you can click this help button and they will walk you through exactly what you can do. So you can embed pretty much anything. The possibilities are unlimited here. You can do chat widgets, you can do surveys, you can do embed codes for videos or for a mail form, pop-ups, all kinds of tools. I know your mind right now, your creativity is running wild. So all we're going to do is go to our ChatterPal app. And within here, I've got my aiPROFITz email capture widget, which actually I want to change the color real quick because I did not like this contrasting greens. I want to actually, I think, just make it black. And then we'll have the button be black as well. We'll just keep it pretty basic, something along those lines. So this is my ChatterPal widget. You can see right there. We'll go ahead through. We'll click Create Campaign. We'll save it and create it. And then we will come here to get our code. We're going to copy our code wherever, whatever widget you're embedding, you're going to copy that code. Then you're going to jump back to your Switchy tool and you're going to paste the code in custom HTML, most likely. Now, I saw this text/JavaScript and I said, oh, this must be JavaScript. So I pasted it there and it didn't really work. So if you essentially, I'm not a coding expert. I'm no expert in any of this. You can read the help guide. You can try each of those two options and see which one works. But for the ChatterPal one, it is the custom HTML. And for the YouTube, it is the custom HTML. Now you can also choose if you want it to display on landing or if you want to delay it. Maybe you want to do a pop-up 5 seconds once they're on the page. You could do that. Or you could do an exit intent pop-up. So you could have something pop up in the center of the screen when they're going to exit. Now for this chatbot, we want it to be on the page on landing and in the bottom right corner. We're going to go ahead and do the animation, and we're not going to allow a closing option. So you can also allow it to close, which I will show you on the YouTube video. It allows you to do aiPROFITz bot. And we'll just click create. And now we have our new third-party widget. Going back out to our links, let's jump back out to the videos because we deleted that one, remember? So we're going to come into our links. We're going to take our affiliate link and we're going to come down to advanced options and we're going to embed our widget. So here you see we've got our videos video, and then we also have our new ChatterPal aiPROFITz bot. So once we select those two and click update link, we can now go check out our brand new widget and see how it looks in an incognito window. Let's go ahead and visit the page. And what we'll see is there's our brand new chat with the black background, which is a little bit better than that green, I think. That's a little bit more generic. And all in all, I think this is one of the better tools on the market and one of the better deals. So before I get out of here, let me actually go to Switchy so that you can see what the deal is. Now, I just picked up one code, which if we come down here, that is 30,000 clicks a month, 8 custom domains, unlimited links. You get all of the customizations. You get a QRL code deal as well as 10 team members coming soon. I don't need any of the team member deals. The only thing is you might need more clicks, so you can obviously stack your codes if you need more. You can get all the way up to 40 domains, 350,000 clicks per month. And if you're just starting out, one code will be more than enough. You can see in my dashboard, I don't get many clicks currently. It's because this channel is 3 or 4 weeks old. This is actually, you know what? I started this, I think, about 1 month ago. So October 17th is when I think I came up with the concept aiPROFITz, and I bought the domain a couple of days later, somewhere in that range. And now it's November 19th. So this tool is brand new. It's in the AppSumo store deal. Check it out. I'm getting a lot of value out of it. I'm going to be using it a lot more in the future. I thought I would share because it just blew my mind when I saw you can embed and you can do all of these things. Let me know, do you use a tool like this? Do you think there's any value in it? If this video brought you any value, hit the like button while you're down there subscribing to see more videos just like this, and leave a comment with your thoughts. We'll see you in the next one. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz.com. Have a fantastic day. Take care.